Parents of children with autism or teenagers with autism are looking for something practical that they can get started in to help their children develop the skills so their kids can make friends. And even better, their kids can keep friends. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So basically, you don't want to sit on an 18-month wait list. Okay. You don't want to be waiting for someone else to step in and rescue your situation by magically teaching your child social skills. Instead, you want to know, what are the social skills my child needs to develop in order to make friends and to keep friends? What are the social skills and friendship skills my child needs to be able to break into a social group, or even just make one friend or sit beside someone? And how do they do that without feeling overwhelmed? So let's have a look at what we can show you so that you can help your own child. Okay, just sharing my screen here. All right, so the first course that I would recommend would be, say, kids between 7 and 12 years old. It's called Secret Agent Society. It's evidence-based. It's recommended by speechies, psychs, and OTs all over the place because it actually works. And here are the skills that that this course teaches your child. And any parent of a child with autism who's looking at that is probably thinking, oh, there's a few things on that list that my child would benefit from developing. Okay, and then for teens or young adults aged about 13 up to, say, 25, we've got the peers course, which again is evidence-based. It's the real deal. It's going to be recommended by your child psych or OT. And these are the skills that we'll cover in that. And these are the skills that are practical, the skills that enable your child to go from overwhelmed and unable to integrate socially to be able to start to integrate socially, to be able to make friends, and then to keep friends. So I'm Michael. I'm from Amazing Skills. I'd love to introduce you to a whole lot more. I'd love to show you more video of different ways to break down complex social skills into pieces so that your child can learn. And I'd love to see what we can do to be helpful for you, or even book a call to have a chat.